Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2026 Kiefer Cruiser 2-horse straight load. This trailer is 6'8" wide, 7'4" tall. It does have the stainless on the nose. It's 2 5/16 ball. White in color, no graphics. Of course with the Kiefer graphics on the nose. It has 2 full escape doors with drop-down windows. I'll show you the window on the other side when I walk around. So 2 full escape doors with drop-down windows, sliders on the rear, aluminum wheels. It's got the ramp with the Dutch doors, and those Dutch doors do clip back. And they have the sturdier arms to hold those doors back. 2 LED load lights on the rear, 2 fans on the rear. It's got padded chest and butt bars. Padding on the wall here, padding on this side and the other side of the airflow divider. 2 roof vents above the head of the horses. All of this is removable. Sliders on the rear. It is fully lined and insulated. It has tie rings on both sides, on both horse. Very nice and open and airy trailer. Great size. And it's 7'4", but it feels super tall. It is a true 7'4" to the top. So it has nothing to do with the mats or anything. So it feels taller than 7'4" to me, but I confirmed it is 7'4". 2 straps here at both of the escape doors. I just washed this trailer, so you'll see some residual water. Whoops, about slid out the back of the trailer. So nice trailer. Load light there at the dressing room door. I'm going to shut this escape door. And show you how those windows look. So 2 drop down windows on either side. They look like that. Nice big drop down windows with bars and slider with screen. Dressing room door open. Matted floor, spare tire, brush box, 2-tier saddle rack, and that saddle rack can come out. Bridle hooks. The ceiling is insulated, the walls are not. So the ceiling is insulated and walls are not. So 2026 Kiefer 2-horse straight load cruiser. Great little aluminum trailer. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. If you go to our website, we'll have pricing and more information and still pictures of this trailer. Thanks a lot, guys.